Yeah. Hello. Yeah. It's that time of the year again. It's nuts all over the floor again. The size of these nuts, they're enormous. Massive. And there's loads of them. And you're probably wondering why I'm wearing a veil. Well, I've been having some weird weather. It's been surprisingly hot all of a sudden again, like over 33 degrees, and very still and very humid. And there's suddenly just millions of those little midgy flies around that want to suicide straight to your eyeball. And this is a brilliant little device which, for the cost of a few euros, stops those pesky little blighters getting in your face and makes it possible to be outside. Otherwise, you just go crazy like a ninja karate man, like this all the time. It's very annoying. Meanwhile, it's the size of my nuts.
Yeah, show them really.
What, my real nuts?
Let me
Look,
see.
huge. Just had a call from the courier. I had to shoot down into the village because our Paulownias, our little baby trees, have arrived. Awesome. We will unbox them in a moment and see what's in. Excellent.
Oh,
Look at that. Yes, these are our Paulownias, as we mentioned a couple of videos ago, when we bought the big ones. We couldn't afford to buy the big ones, so we bought a load of little ones that just arrived from Spain. Oh, they're all strapped down, so we can't pick them up. But yeah, there you go, little seedlings and kind of stumps.
these are the different varieties.
Yeah.
Pao Tong and so on. Oh, yeah, different. Okay.
Turbo Pro,
These are the fast growers.
Proxy 5, something.
Okay. Maybe they need water. We can put them in our tree growing corner with the other baby trees. And then the thing happened that kept us from working most of October. Really heavy and constant rainfall for weeks.
Around the back of the house, first thing, we moved this container from the other side where it was doing no good at all. Put it here, found this somewhere in a bin, and what I did was I cut off the downpipe from the gutter. It was just coming down there. We'll look at that in a minute. Fitted this onto it, made a channel, and it works very well. Within a day of that really heavy rain, this was full. Amazing. So we can keep it for when it's dry, which is not going to be all week. We're expecting rain all week. Well, yeah, it just shows how much you can collect.
How much is it?
1,000 liters. This is where the old gutter was. It was coming down here and then just came to a kind of dead end, open end here and down this channel. We had a bit of a problem in the recent rain. really, really, really heavy rain, stupidly, we'd allowed this channel to get blocked up. And it created a massive lake here. We have all this waterproof membrane under the cobbles. When it's raining hard, you can see the water actually coming out of here, and it should drain that way, but it was blocked. So it created a lake here, and it was actually seeping through into the house. Luckily, I spotted it quickly and just cleared out this channel, and it all sluiced away, and then it was fine. Not much water came in. But we are trying to improve this channel now. This is what it got all blocked up with. Got a leaf and nut mulch. Made a very effective dam. And stupidly I didn't check it before the storm. Anyway, we got away with it. Thank goodness I was there.
So this channel we are trying to deepen is really narrow, and it has some big rocks down here that we cannot get out. We really have to chisel it out. In a perfect world I would just put a drainage here, a drain pipe, but I don't think I can get deep enough for it. So maybe I can try to make a proper concrete channel, or at least guide it around this point here, away from the wall. But let's see how deep I can go. Stone is very soft. Okay, obviously I'm not getting anywhere fast, so I'm asking a friend who has all the tools in the world. Okay, Robin gives it a go with the big tool, and
Pickling.
Oh yeah, it's better. Stop. I think we need to take this one out as well, Robin.
The big bit, which we always thought would fall down soon, fell down now. And it's blocking the road, so we've got to chop it up and take it away. We were just talking to Rainwater, the tree man, about maybe cutting it down. So we've saved that money. Thank you, Storm.
There's sheep wool in it.
Huh?
With sheep wool.
Uh-huh.
The amount of wood falling down this year starts to get annoying, but in fact it is a sort of wealth too. Free heating. It is money I don't need to earn anymore since we have the farm.